In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace the vacuum pump on your T1N Sprinter. This one's got some front-end engine noise, and we're kind of concerned about that, so we're going to be replacing the vacuum pump. This system actually directly feeds the braking system, and as a result, this van's also having some braking issues, so we're hoping to fix that and kill two birds with one stone. So yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, so here's the vacuum pump. Believe it or not, it's only two bolts. They're both E11s. One is here, and the other one is kind of hidden underneath here and is kind of a pain to get at. Okay, so you see how I kind of had to get that on there. Ideally, if you're putting this on or replacing this, you'll have this coolant rack tipped out, or even better, this hose removed, or even better, a shorter extension than what I have. Okay, so to start with, I'm just going to remove the vacuum hose that connects up the system. You just squeeze in the two tabs and pull it off. Pretty easy. You can just move this off out of the way. It's a hard tube, but it's got a little bit of flexibility to it. I'm going to start under here at this pain in the butt bolt. Just showing you guys that a shorter extension makes a world of a difference. All right, so I'm going to pull this bolt off. Both bolts are the same length. And it's only two, so once you've got both of them off, I'm just gonna pull it gently off. You can see here our vacuum pump. So these line up with the receptacle inside of here. I am just going to go ahead and there we go. Just want to make sure that that is lined up with the bolt holes and right there snug against the engine. So I'm just going to snug these up, give them the final torque down with the torque wrench and make sure that's correct. The almighty torque wrench once again. Now it is very important that you do not over tighten these vacuum pump bolts in any way. It bolts directly into the head, and if you over tighten these bolts in any way, you're going to be going right into some critical engine components and you could cause some serious damage. So that's why I looked at the repair manual and I'm going to torque these to specification. Once again, that is set to 124 inch-pounds. And these, we're just going until we feel the click in the handle. Just like in the transmission pan. You can feel it starting to snug. That's the click. Boom. That's torqued to spec. Okay. And now we're almost done. The only thing left is to reconnect your vacuum hose. Vacuum hose reconnected, and now we are all set, ready to start her up. So I'm slightly concerned because it's a slightly different designed vacuum pump, but here goes nothing. See here, our vacuum pump. Ooh. Oh, wasn't expecting that.